There are two RVs in one. You heard that right. So let's go in. This is crazy because I've never seen anything like it. You can put this bad boy on a property and have two tenants, or
have kids in the back. You live in the front.
They have one section and you have the other. All right, so come on in. It is very interesting because this is mirrored on the other side of the RV, which is kind of crazy. You can see there's a sink here, kitchen, and there's a sink kitchen right over here with the same exact layout. Okay, let's start here. We have a TikTok sink here. Have all your necessary things here.
It's
it's
really nifty.
very nifty. You can put all sorts of things any way you like it. All right. In here, we have the bathroom. Sink, medicine cabinet, toilet, and a shower. All right. As you get out, you will see a continuation of the kitchen. All right. So you have your appliances over here, your storage, fridge.
Oh, there's a bunk.
I'm sorry?
There's a bunk. That's a bunk.
What's a bunk?
Bunkhouse.
No, it's called a loft.
Oh. There's a loft.
There's a loft. I was very confused. It goes into a spiral staircase into a loft, and you will find a couple of beds up there. All right, and then we have these giant windows here. This actually closes with a click of a button. And you can close your shades for privacy. And you have your L-shaped couch, your living area here with a TV, fireplace, additional storage. And that is it. So we're going to go see the other side. Over here is some insulated storage. So you see insulated walls. You can store all your belongings here if you need to.
Reminds me of an airplane.
And you can also lock it with a key. All right. This one also has a kitchen that mirrors exactly like the other side. Very similar layout, just reversed.
So
Fridge.
in case you're a righty or a lefty, you can choose.
I mean, you have options. Same thing with the window. It slides over. You have a couch. This one has an ottoman and as well as a staircase that goes up to a loft. And you also have a ceiling fan as well.
Another bathroom?
Another bathroom, yep. You saw it right.
Man. You keep your kids in this one, stay in the other one.
I mean, whatever you want. So this is a destination trailer. It is meant to be parked and not really moved. So you get a piece of land. You have a few of these on your property.
You have 10 of them?
Yeah, and you can basically rent them out. So that is it from me. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this and would you buy it?